Hello dear students, I hope all of you are doing well. So in our previous video we discussed the ways of finding out the subjects from the sentences, and I hope all of you have gone through those videos and you have understood. And I also had told you to try with the exercise 5, try to find out the answers of exercise 5, and some of you might have done it. So if you have done, then please verify the answers. I am trying to give you the answers of this question number exercise 5. So please refer to your book to find the questions, or otherwise you can see from this photo also. And I am trying to give you the answers. Whichever is possible, I am giving you. The rest of the things you have to do for yourself. Okay. So the first question is, the camel is the sheep of the desert. Here the subject is the camel and predicate is the sheep of the desert. So I expect everyone to write the answers in this way. Please try to write it somewhere in your exercise notebook or somewhere and try to learn it properly. So I have given this one for guiding you to write the answer in this way. S means subject and P means the predicate. You do it in this way. Okay. And now look at number 2. Wait outside the park. Here in this sentence the subject is not mentioned, but you can easily understand the subject indicates you. So the subject is you here. Okay. And in predicate will be wait outside the park. Now number 3. Are you coming to the party? Here is a question, is an interrogative sentence. So you have to, in order to find the answer, you can transform it into a statement form. You are coming to the party. Then you can easily find out the subject. You become the subject and are coming to the party becomes the predicate. Now look at number 4. Each of them has bought a scooty. So the subject will be each of them and predicate will be has bought a scooty. It's a simple statement and it's being told about the each of them. So that's why each of them become a group of words together, a phrase that become the subject of the sentence. Now look at number 5th one. Does he like his new school? So is also an interrogative sentence. So you can transform it into simple statement and you can make it. He does like his new school. So now you can find the subject is he and does like his new school becomes the predicate. Now number 6. Her brothers are also accompanying her. In this case her brothers become the subject. Also are also accompanying the school. Accompanying her becomes the predicate. Now look at number 7. Alas, she has lost her husband. So in this case you can see alas is an interrogative, so interjection is an expression of the feeling, and you can see the real sentence is she has lost her husband. So from there you can find out the subject is she and has lost her husband is the predicate. Now look at number 8. Close all the doors. So in this case this subject is missing, but you can easily find out the subject that is being ordered. It's an imperative sentence. Close all the doors means it is indicating that you close all the doors. Like that way you can find the subject is you and close all the doors become predicate. Now look at next one. Number 9, you can do it. He is a diligent boy. He is the subject, is a diligent boy is the predicate. Number 10, a number of boys were hurt. So here the subject becomes a number of boys. Subject is a number of boys and predicate is were hurt. So in this case also you can see a group of words together makes the subject. Now 11, you did your duty well. Here subject is you, did your duty well is the predicate. Now number 12, the teacher found the monitor absent. So it is told about the teachers finding the monitor. So you can see the teacher is the subject, found the monitor absent is the predicate. Okay. Now number 13, it was very hot outside. So it is a pronoun and it becomes the subject here. So it is the subject here. Was very hot becomes the predicate. So now 14th number, you can do it, very easy one. He decided to help the poor. So he become the subject and decided to help the poor is the predicate. Now 15th number, you please see that his rude behavior annoyed me. His rude behavior. This become the predicate. This become the subject and annoyed me become the predicate. So here it is told about his rude behavior. So you please try to make that part of sentence as the subject and annoyed me becomes the predicate. Now look at number 16. Here there are 9 planets in the solar system. So you can just change the sentence into a simple form. The 9 planets are there in the solar system. In this way, you can find out the subject and predicate, and you can see 9 planets become the subject, are there in the solar system become the predicate. So I think all of you are understanding. Next one, the 17, 18, 19 and 20, you please try to listen carefully and try to do it for yourself. I am just dictating the answers, you please try to check it. Walking is a good exercise. So it is told about walking. So walking becomes the subject here. Is a good exercise becomes the predicate. Now look at 18th number. To respect our elders is our duty. So subject is our duty. Our duty is to respect our elders. So you can see what is our duty. It is told about our duty. So our duty becomes the subject and is to respect our elders become the predicate. Please try to check it carefully. Our duty becomes the subject and is to respect our elders becomes the predicate. Okay. So please try to mark it properly. Number 19. My younger brother in Kanpur is a doctor. So it is told about my younger brother in Kanpur. So that part of the sentence become the subject. My younger brother in Kanpur. And predicate is a doctor. So please try to mark it properly and try to write. Next, 20th number. Exercise makes our muscles strong. So you can easily find out. It's told about exercise. So you can write exercise to be the subject and makes our muscles strong is the predicate. I hope all of you understood this one. So please try to note down somewhere and try to learn it properly. Thank you for listening.